Policeman dies in crash on Constant Spring Road. 20-year-old St. James man charged for alleged buggery of schoolgirl. Please remember to subscribe, like, share, comment, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can always be updated with the latest news. Now for the news in details. A police constable died from injuries he received in a motor vehicle crash on Constant Spring Road in St. Andrew on Sunday. The deceased has been identified as 23-year-old Delroy Hines, who was assigned to the Public Safety and Traffic Enforcement Branch. Reports from the Halfway Tree Police are that sometime after 2 a.m., Constable Hines was a passenger in a Toyota Belta motor car being driven by another police constable. The driver allegedly lost control of the vehicle and collided with a utility pole. Both men sustained injuries and were taken to the hospital, where Constable Hines died while being treated. The driver remains hospitalized. The police have charged a 20-year-old man in connection with the alleged sexual assault of a 12-year-old girl in St. James. Charged with buggery is former Anthony Grant, otherwise called Murderer. Another man, 18-year-old Marlon Reed, has been charged with failure to report a child in need of care and protection. The incident happened on Tuesday, February 21st. The reports are that two girls, both ages 12, were walking along the main road when Grant and Reed allegedly drove up on a motorcycle and started a conversation with them. During the conversation, both men reportedly disembarked from the bike, and Grant allegedly pulled one of the girls into a nearby banana field while Reed restrained the other on the roadway. Grant then allegedly proceeded to undress the schoolgirl and sexually assaulted her. A report was made to the police, and both men were arrested during an operation on Friday, March 17. Grant was charged after he was pointed out during an identification parade on Tuesday, March 21, and Reed on Thursday, March 23. They are slated to appear in the St. James Parish Court on Wednesday, April 5.